Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to find Canva's new secret space elements using a simple code. Okay, let's get started. First, just open your Canva and then just open any designs that you want. And then next, just tap on elements like this and then just search for this code. Just type this code and then when you're done, just tap on enter. And then you're done. You have just unlocked a full collection of hidden galaxy and space illustrations like this. Inside the secret set, you will find a beautiful artwork galaxy and space like this. These elements are perfect for maybe science poster or maybe space theme thumbnails, astrology designs, children's education graphic maybe, or maybe wallpapers. Just try it out and level up your Canva with this set. And then okay, like this. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.